Can we go shopping this evening?
Sure, we can leave the house at 4 in the evening.
Can I help you?
Thanks, we're just looking.
What do you think of these jeans?
They're really nice. How much are they?
There's no price tag. Where's the salesperson? I'm going to ask her. Oh, there she is. Excuse me, how much are these jeans?
Okay. Let's see. They were $29, but I think today they're 30% off. Yes, that's right. They're about $20. That's a good price for these jeans.
Can I try them on?
Sure. The fitting rooms are right over there. Just go on in.
Thanks a lot. Lynn, how do they look?
Oh, Jim. They're too big. I'll get you a smaller size. Wait a minute.
I think these are better. How do they look?
They're perfect.
Oh, they look very nice on you.
Great. I'll take them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.